Nail printing guide. Clean nail surface. Stick nail guide sticker. NM should be applied on the nail groove and skin around the nail. Apply print gel evenly on nail surface. Enter nail printing. Select patterns. Connect the machine. Put your finger in, press the slider. Fix the finger and keep the finger straight. Ensure the nail surface is completely inside the viewing window. Select patterns. Click to identify the nail shape. Click OK. Printing. Wait for 25 to 30 seconds. Press the slider. Put your finger out. Cured by LED light for 60 to 120 seconds. Apply top gel. Cured by LED light for 60 seconds.